Y'all, I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company, and I have Lindsay here with Always Yarn First podcast, and that's also her Instagram name. And she is in the store. She has picked up her first month of the Sock Yarn Society monthly mystery box, and she's going to do a little live unboxing with us, and I'm so excited. I'm super proud of the way this came together, and I'm so appreciative of all the 50 people who purchased it and it sold out in under 3 days.
But how long did it take me to purchase it?
Lindsay, y'all, you know what? So here's the thing. Lindsay's name is Always Yarn First, and she literally was the first person to buy it. It went out on our subscription. On our app service. So if you are not an app user, run, don't walk to Google Play or the Apple Store and download our app, because these were debuted on our app service. Mm-hmm. And literally within 3 seconds, Lindsay was the first purchase. So it's only right that Lindsay's doing the unboxing here. So I'm super excited. But go get the app. Download the app to your phone, because the next box is getting ready to come out on February 1st.
I'll race you to it.
All right. So I want to say this. I'm super excited in the way this turned out, because I ordered bags with the Sock Yarn Society logo on it, and it's beautiful. So,
and I haven't seen any of these, so this is going to be a true reaction.
So she just pulled it out of the bag.
Okay, first of all, I gotta show this, because this is super cute. A sticker.
I wanted it to feel special. I really wanted it to feel special.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to rip it.
You are.
Okay, I'm gonna show the yarn last.
Yes.
Oh man, oh man.
Ooh, it's so pretty. Y'all, I'm so excited.
I'm glad that you can't see everything, because I can see everything right now. So I'm gonna start with the goodies first.
I'm sorry about the crinkling.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
And then just dump the whole bag out?
Yeah. Okay. So let's start with this one. Oh, is this a sticker?
Yes.
Okay, so there's another sticker.
So we really wanted you, after I got the big stickers, I really wanted you to be able to have a sticker of your own, so that you could put it on your Yeti or your water bottle or whatever. So you're getting one as well.
Okay. Candle.
I made these.
What does it say? Smells like my first love. How cute is that?
I made these.
Oh my.
In my
That
kitchen.
smells good.
So good.
What is that smell?
The smell of anthropology.
It is.
It is. It is.
Oh my gosh, it really is smell like anthropology.
Yeah, it is. I ordered that smell specifically because that's my favorite candle, and I wanted to make it, and I wanted y'all to have it.
Unfortunately, my daughter's going to want to steal it.
Yes.
And I'm not going to let
That's
her.
okay, because I'm going to have more of those for sale here in the store.
Okay, so a fancy pen.
Because I'm a diva, and I think y'all should be one too.
And I think fancy pens are great.
Yes.
And what is this? Oh, it's a little...
So...
Is it like a...
So we sell Jane Iredale makeup here in the store, and this is lip drink, and you can use this in several different ways. It's delicious on your lips, and it adds a lot of moisture, but you also can use it as a cuticle cream.
Really?
For your, yes. And
it smells lovely.
It smells so delicious. Jane Iredale is my makeup of choice.
Okay.
People always ask me what my secret to my youthful look is. It's Jane. So I wanted to treat y'all with some Jane.
Oh, that feels nice.
It's
and
nice.
I have super chapped lips, so...
You're going to be addicted to it.
Okay. All right. And the best extra in my book is the stitch markers.
So Jessica and Anna made Progress Keepers special to match the yarn.
And look at Lorri dyed this month just for me because she made it blue.
Well, I will tell you.
Okay, are we ready to show the yarn?
We're ready. The yarn, y'all. I'm like so super proud of this.
So it's called My First Love, and I am getting every box in the Yummy Sparkle, of course, because Lori's Sparkle is the best sparkle
Thank you.
ever.
Can we show it with the bag?
Oh, yeah.
Because that was the inspiration.
Yep.
And I'm fairly certain that I hit it out of the ballpark, and I am not being humble, y'all. It is so gorgeous. It's so perfect.
It is gorgeous, and just the softness along with the sparkle.
It's like cashmere.
Is-
It's like sparkle cashmere.
The sparkles are so good.
And the speckles.
Oh, look at that.
The speckles are so good. Y'all,
I
it
mean,
matches my bag. I mean, like,
It-
totally matches the
Totally.
bag. It's spot on. This soft gray teal is this color right here. And these bright hot pinks are these. And the pale pinks, it's this bag.
it is totally.
I really, really, really wanted to do something super special for everyone, and I'm so happy with it.
I am too.
This is just a glimpse of what's to come for the rest of the year.
So get the app,
Get the app.
and they usually will go up on the 10th of the month.
So they're going to be listed the first day of the month.
Okay.
They are going to end the 10th of the month if they have not sold out first. So once they sell out, we will not add more until it is a subscription service. So right now we're only doing 50. Get the app so that you get first notification, because once they went on social media, they sold out.
Right.
So
That's why I ordered
you wanna
right
tell
away.
me- And so you know what we're doing? Lindsay and I are going to do a make along.
Yes.
And it's called. You want to tell them what it's
No,
called?
you came up with it. You gotta tell
So
it.
I love a good pun, and so it's called the chevron year itch. You know, like the 7-year itch. It's the chevron year itch.
Yeah. Well, I told Lori that I was trying to be real good about
We're
buying
having
yarn.
champagne because we're celebrating.
I'm trying to be good about buying yarn with a purpose. Not that I'm not buying yarn, but I'm buying yarn with a purpose. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna need the whole year of this box. So what am I gonna do with the whole year of this box? And I kicked myself because I didn't get your advent last year, and I watched people open up all that sparkly yarn, and I was so upset. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get the sparkle box all year, and I'm gonna make a chevron blanket with it. And I told Lori, and she's like, well, I love a chevron blanket.
I love chevron blankets.
So she's like, I want to join you. And then we're like, well, let's do a make along.
So I'm going to do the Masani chevron blanket on Ravelry, and I think that I'll have Lindsay, she'll link it so that you can see, and then
Yeah.
Lindsay's doing a different one. And we're going to do that. So every month we're going to do unboxing here, and we're also going to show you our progress on our blankets. So we're really excited. So I will tell you that both of the patterns are calling for a DK. Well, mine is calling for DK. I
Yeah,
think
mine
yours
is
sport
mine was
weight.
sport weight, so I'm gonna hold mine double.
I'm holding mine double as well. Mine is
Yeah.
going to have a lot of white space because I want some color, but then I want white on either side of it blending into the next
Should
color.
I show the wedding cake?
If you want to, wedding cake is just the natural color. We call it wedding cake here in store, and it's just a natural color. It's full sparkle.
Which you do have in stock some right
We
now.
always have wedding cake in
Yeah.
stock, and if you go to find it and you can't, send us a message and we'll make sure that it gets refilled on the website, because it's going to be, we are so excited about it. So that information is going to be on Lindsay's, are you putting on a Ravelry?
Yes, I don't have a group yet, so I'm gonna
Okay.
use Instagram, basically the hashtag.
Okay. And I'll put it on my Ravelry group,
Yeah.
and we'll run it through there. Of
Yeah.
course, you do not have to use Arkansas Yarn Company to join us in the make along. You can crochet or you can knit. I will run it through. If you use Arkansas Yarn Company, you get to submit 2 pictures on the finished object.
Yeah.
And then, do you think we'll have some prizes throughout the year as well?
Yeah, I think I can pull prizes from Instagram as we go.
Yes.
So so you can use your stash. And the great thing about chevrons too, as we talked about, is because it's so easy to find chevron patterns for crochet and
Yes.
for knitting.
Yes.
So everybody can
They're so
join.
fun, and once you do the 2 row, once
You have it down.
it's so easy.
Yeah.
It's potato chip knitting,
Yeah.
and
So
yeah.
we're excited. So every month we'll be here and we'll show our progress. Now we might not be caught up every month.
I'm probably always going to be behind because I run
That's
this
okay.
global company,
But
but
you know, you're a little busy.
just a little. But it's going to be fun. I'm excited.
But
and
it'll
what
be
I
nice
love,
to see the difference too. We'll
Yes.
both be using sparkle base,
That's exactly
but
what I
it'll
was
look
going to
different.
say.
Yeah.
We're going to have the same blanket, but they're going to look different.
Right.
Because our personalities get to shine in it.
Yep.
So
Yep.
it's awesome.
So please join us
We would love that. So
and
we will get
hashtag
you-
it so we can
Yes.
see them all.
Yes, and we'll make sure that you get that hashtag. Do we know when it started? We're going to give you all the details.
Yeah.
We'll do a post on social media and give
I mean,
you all
I'm
the
gonna
details.
hopefully make one of the girls cake this up while I'm here, and I have my needles
We're going to
here.
let her cake it up herself.
They're making me work here.
Yeah.
So-
We are making her work here. She's our actually, if you haven't heard yet, Lindsay is our new crochet. Lindsay and her daughter Jacinda are our new crochet instructors. So we're super excited to have them on board, and I think you're going to be Jacinda's assistant.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
pretty
going to
much.
be super exciting.
Super much.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank y'all so much for joining us, and we can't wait to see you again. Until next time, bye y'all.
Bye.